Well, hi, and a huge welcome to all my regular viewers of Dave Takes It On, and a special mention to all you new viewers who are joining us for the very first time. I'm Dave, and in this video I'm going to be looking back to the start of the channel, see where we are today, and look forward to where it's going. This I hope will benefit brand new viewers, what they can expect, but it might also be of interest to those who recently joined the channel. Well, the origin of Dave Takes It On came from my experiences of my first EV. I bought a used Tesla Model S 4 years ago. Cost exactly the same as a brand new Model 3, but my higher mileage was better suited to the extra range the Model S offered. That's now reversed, by the way. Model 3 is a much longer range. I quickly discovered that an awful lot of what people told me was utter rubbish, merely a retelling of common myths and misconceptions that were being pushed 4 years ago, and many still to this day. You'd think someone out there trying so hard to stop EVs had something to lose if they succeeded. I quickly learned the truth as I found it. I realised that the average UK driver covered just 8,000 miles a year, about 150 miles a week, compared to my, back then, 800 miles a week. So would have a very different experience, but much of the stuff I was learning was relevant even at those low miles. By the way, in case people comment on my total mileage, it's still quite low. The week after I bought it, we got hit with lockdowns and pandemic and closures, and my car was barely used for almost a year. Quick spell in hospital as well, took another few months, and then finally when it all cleared, I took that opportunity to sort of semi-retire, so my mileage today is far lower. I still travel extensively, but now only a couple of days a week, probably averaging, I don't know, about 300 or 400 miles a week. So although I was happy to pass on my knowledge to anyone who asked me, I realised that EV adoption was being seriously held back by those myths and misconceptions, and I didn't talk to that many people. So the idea began to form of making YouTube videos. I've always been a keen photographer and videographer, but mainly for my own use, but also for family, weddings, birthdays, holidays and events. So I already had all the gear. And my older son Jonas, who lives really close by, was an avid internet user and gamer, plus a talented musician, and he was also thinking of starting his own music channel. Well, over many months we gradually formed a plan. Let's each start our own YouTube channel. Me with EVs, him with music, and work together, share equipment, to help each other to be successful. But if one channel actually took off, then the other would instantly put their channel on hold to allow us both to concentrate on the successful one. It was a competition, and we were both very competitive. We both launched in March 2023. I was afraid that with the number of music videos and channels out there on YouTube, Jonas would almost instantly have a huge hit and I would end up supporting him, which I would have done. It didn't happen like that. On my channel, I always planned to be hands-on. I didn't want to just take news items and report them, although I do that. And too many channels just repeated the same old myths and lies, some of them very successfully, by the way. I wanted to be different from day one, to actually go out there, tackle the myths one by one, filming everything and then showing, not telling, what I discovered or revealed. I also wanted to present the findings no matter what I had previously thought or believed. If a myth was true, I confirmed it in my next video. Well, obviously, as it happened, my channel almost instantly took off, which was a total surprise to me. True to our agreement, Jonas postponed his channel and we began working together to launch our very first joint video in April this year. Now, the early efforts, looking back, were not something to be really proud of, but we learned and we progressed. And today we have well over 100 videos up, we have over 4,000 subscribers, and our videos regularly exceed 5,000 views. And the best, reach an entirely unexpected 56,000. YouTube provides masses of data to help channels succeed, and we are amazed at the success we have achieved. Our like rate is hovering around 98%, and the comments section is amazingly lively. Not everyone agrees. We never wanted that. We never expected that to happen. So once again, thank you to all the regulars and subscribers. It is you who've made the channel a success. And thank you to all who have just found the channel. I hope we continue to produce videos that will appeal to you and you stick around and become regulars yourselves. Our filming has, I think and hope, improved over the months, and we have invested in extra equipment as we found bottlenecks. Filming and editing and launching our videos was at first really hard work, as we set a target of launching a video every day. New equipment, particularly adding gimbals and wireless mics, have definitely not only made things easier, but made better videos. I hope you agree. I'm now semi-retired, just to have a small part-time job 1 or 2 days a week, but Jonas with a mortgage and young family works full-time. We did reach a milestone recently when we monetised the channel, but contrary to what you hear, not every YouTuber makes £1,000 a week. Well, we certainly don't. I'm still mostly financing the channel out of my own savings and hope that in time that will reverse and the channel can start supporting us both. It'd be really great to travel further afield and tackle issues we otherwise just couldn't afford to do. We meet regularly and we plan our work carefully and try to stick with those plans. We're now finding filming quicker and better, and joint trips out with Jonas allow mammoth filming sessions, including a recent interview with a regular viewer, which I would have found really difficult if I was out filming on my own. The EV scene today is very different from 4 years ago, and I am very encouraged by those changes. I'm not an avid "you must buy an EV" fanatic. I do realise that not everyone wants, can afford, or needs an EV, and I'm more than happy to confirm that. My aim is just to try to reduce some of the totally false myths and lies and ask people to just look for themselves. Buying a car, any car, is a massive investment for most people, and it's important to make the right choice. I just hope a few more people will have an open mind and just look at and test drive an EV, even if they then go on to choose another ICE car. It takes all sorts. ICE are not going to disappear anytime soon. Well, thank you to everyone who's made the channel a success, and thank you for watching this video. I'm Dave.